Hey everyone, it's Sarah here. Sorry in advance about the lighting, but this March theme just threw me for a loop. I don't really know why. I had a pretty good idea of what I was gonna do, and I just found out that I wasn't really totally in love with it. I don't know if I'm totally in love with this one either, but I feel at least that I have a little bit more feeling, I don't know, towards this theme. So if you can't tell, it's going to be a Super Mario theme. And so I'm going to have Super March up here. I have tried this video twice already, so hopefully this video goes better than the last two. And I sketched the complete month out for this, so I feel a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead, get on into it, and I will see you on the other side. so here is my March theme. I went in and cleaned it up just a little bit. So I have my Super Mario Super March header over here, and then I did something a little bit different, and it took a long time and it cramped up my hands, but I think it was kind of worth it because all these little toad mushroom guys, all the red ones are just kind of regular days, and the green ones are like my significant days. So for the 8th, for example, is the International Women's Day. The 10th is Daylight Savings. The 11th and 15th have to do with Match Day. The 17th is St. Patrick's Day. And the 30th is a wedding that I will be going to. So I think it was worth it. I think despite the hand cramps, it was worth it. And I'm pretty happy with how this front page turned out for the Super March theme. For the other days, I'll probably go in and put like meetings or any other travel or anything like that. But I don't think it really needs to be green on here. Just the more significant days. And then the next page is kind of a huge mishmash of things. It's my little habit trackers. It's going to be my mood tracker and then a daily summary. So instead of doing the hand lettering for the mood like I have done in the past, I'm just going to write it out on this side of the page and then do my summary / one line a day like I usually do on this side of the page. And then I brought in the light blue to give kind of the sky effect from the Super Mario Brothers. And then obviously I pulled in the pipes. And then it's really difficult to get that kind of 3D effect. So I think I did a pretty good job with these brick type things on getting that kind of effect without really spending a lot of time and doing a lot of blending or anything else that would kind of ruin the paper. So I'm happy with this because it kind of consolidates my number of pages that I use for my monthly a little bit more. And then it brings in kind of more of the background sky, but also keeps the basics of that Super Mario Brothers scene. The next one is going to be my master list. I didn't want to do a whole lot of drawing on this page because I really want to migrate things over from my February. And I felt like I needed a little bit more room. So I decided just to keep it with these little question mark blocks. The next one is my order tracker, which I will be shutting down my shop for a good portion of March. So I didn't think I needed a lot of room. So I kept the little flowers and some of the bricks here with order tracker. And then I actually did forget to go in and do the line, so I'm going to do that now. And that's it for my setup. I feel like I could have gone a little bit more in depth and did a few of the things that I've done in the past with my video planning and stuff like that, but I really wanted to keep it pretty simple for March. I've been a little stressed out lately, so I really wanted to do my best to keep it a little bit more simplified. And so I decided that I was going to spend a lot more time on this first page and doing kind of that little like brick setup, but that like the substance of it would be really much easier to fill out. So thank you all for joining me for this March. Thank you guys for putting up with me on Instagram as I complained that I didn't know what I was going to do for March. And thank you for your suggestions, because a lot of this like spring floral type situation, some people recommended like superheroes and stuff. And so in my mind, I kind of mashed all that together and then a lot of people also suggested like rainbows and stuff. So I kind of mashed it all together, got like kind of the superhero theme with, took that and created that Super Mario's You do get a lot of flower type things to get the kind of spring effect. Some people suggested like mushrooms and stuff, so like the little toad mushroom guy. It just felt like I was really getting a lot of those things and mashing it together into one theme. So thank you guys for all your suggestions. It really sparked my creativity and helped me pick this theme out. So I will see you on Monday with another weekly setup. Bye everyone.